forgot. And come up and we're going on a pathway with a well.
So Ellis Fest is coming up, and we are going on the Apache with this wheelchair ramp, right? So this is the update. We are doing a wheelchair accessible 58 Ellis Swap, not turbo yet. And this is the idea. We're gonna put the wheelchair up there, the power wheelchair, and it's gonna go up on its own. And we're just gonna lock this, and this thing is gonna go up and lock it in there. And we're gonna run the quarter mile with it.
Yeah.
All right. What else?
Well, coming in the mail.
There's something coming in the mail from who? Snake Eater Performance is sponsoring us with fuel pump, fuel filters, and injectors.
Oh, sorry. A couple of videos.
Are you gonna show us a couple videos?
In the next.
Oh, in the next videos you're gonna show us.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the next videos we're gonna see this being finished. And what else? We might switch to another engine
Yeah.
because this one is kind of dying. But that's not crucial. We have 30 days to LS Fest,
Yeah.
and this is the most important part: bringing Cain's power wheelchair
Yeah.
and having the world's first wheelchair accessible LS Swap 1958 Apache, right?
Yeah.
So the wheelchair is going to be only on that side for now, and we're going to cover this back up the way it was, so you can see here how the platform work. And the rest of the truck. So what else is new? Those are the biggest things, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna do an event on the 8th.
Oh.
CTI, California Truck Invasion in San Bernardino.
Yeah. Both.
At the track in San Bernardino.
Yeah.
All right. So CTI, April 8th, San Bernardino. We're gonna be there with this truck. We might do some donuts, right? We will do some donuts. And we already gonna have this done. But wait for the next update because we're working on some hinges and some stuff over there to make it work right.
Yeah.
All right.